Hello there, guys. Welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop, and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool and interesting stuff within the graphic design world. What I'd like to do today, guys, is show you how you can easily change the color of hair within Adobe Photoshop. As you can see here, I have this lovely image of a beautiful lady, and what I'd like to do is actually change the color of her hair. Just following a few steps. It's very easy to do. And what I would like for you to do is take the steps that I show you and then implement them within your amazing designs. The first thing we need to do is use the lasso tool here and make a very loose selection around the hair. Like so. Just bear with me 1 second whilst I do that. As you can see, guys, a really loose selection. Like so, it's come underneath the hands there, like so. Perfect. What I may even do is just add a little bit to that selection around that area there. So just make sure you have your add to selection option like that. Perfect. Do a little bit in there and a little bit in here also as well. Okay. Now with that selection, what we need to now do is go up to select and mask. So I want to come through and go select and mask. Now, obviously, what we need to do is improve this. So what you need to do is come to the second tool down here, the Refine Edge Brush tool, and just go around the edges like so. And what this should do is Photoshop should recognize that you're trying to select that hair. Just go through around the edges like so. Make it. There we go. You can see it's really sort of picking up the background and removing it. Let's come around to her face a little bit, on her forehead and her neck. There we go. Let's get rid of these excess bits around here. Like so. Let's come remove her body there. Let's get around the end bits of the hair there, as you can see. Fantastic. Wonderful. Let's get a little area in there as well. And here. What you also can do, guys, is you can use the refine hair option at the top here. So if I use that refine hair option like so, pretty good. And what you need to do is come on the right-hand side and come all the way down and tick decontaminate colors. Now, if we press OK, and also as well, we must make sure is your output is new layer with layer mask. And we press OK like so. Now, what you need to do is turn on the bottom layer. Like so. And what we now need to is add an adjustment layer. And the adjustment layer we need to use is what we call the hue and saturation adjustment layer. Really important, guys, that you clip it to the layer below, the layer mask that we created. And then make sure that you use colorize and tick it. And now, as you can see, when I start manipulating the hue, we can really start to change the color of people's hair within Adobe Photoshop like so. Let's go for a crazy color of blue. And there you have it, guys. That's how you change the color of hair within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and I'll see you next time.